if you are wondering if we have bloatware on POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer is unfortunately yes. Many apps have been pre-installed for us, and many of them can be easily considered as bloatware. So the list includes lots of games. So you can see that here we have some 3 games over there, there is another one, here is another one, and so on and so forth. Here is another like pack of different games that are pre-installed for us. Not only games, but also many apps. Just general apps can be considered as bloatware as well. Like for example, we have Timo, we have WPS Office, we have, what else do we have? We have a couple of two Amazon apps, AliExpress, Booking.com, and so on and so forth. So you can see many apps can be considered as bloatware in here. Thankfully, we can uninstall them. So we can just, for example, press and hold your finger on an app in order to remove it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.